welcome to another video. Today I'm excited to share some new goodies I have added to my shop. You probably guessed already what they are. Cute bags! Cute bags to keep your art supplies or just daily life stuff. I'm always on the lookout for some good solutions to carry around art supplies, besides a big tote bag, which I have also used in the past and traveled with. There are specialized bags, some super fancy with all kinds of interesting solutions for plein air painting, but they tend to be pricey and honestly just too serious for my taste. I want something cute and fun that fits enough stuff without too much fuss. So today I want to share with you 3 options for such a bag: a large, a medium, and smaller, but not too small, bags. Each comes with a few color options, all adorable. I had the hardest time picking which ones to try out. You can find all the details and prices in my shop. They vary between, I want to say, $28 and $36, something like this. So that is the range. Very, very affordable. So you can grab a couple. In the video, I want to show you all 3 types and what they can hold. Let's get to it. I'll start with the largest and probably my favorite, although it's hard to choose. The moment this one arrived, my daughter confiscated it, my 12-year-old, and so I will be ordering another sample for myself. But I cannot decide on the color as I love all 4 options. Anyway, this bag is big but not too big. As you can see, it can comfortably hold a 9x12 paper pad, or a couple even, a big watercolor palette. My palette is pretty big, a roll of brushes, and much more. You can carry it as a tote bag or across your body, which is how I prefer to carry my bags. I really like to have both hands free. I have here the blue one. It's a beautiful shade of blue, but there are 3 more color options that will appear on the screen. This bag is simple and easy to use, no fuss, just cute design and lots of space. Oh, there's also a cow. You don't have to get the cow, but why wouldn't you? She's adorable. You can see there are a few smaller pockets in the front. That's where I put my brush roll, but of course you can put whatever you like. And in the front you can also put a little art kit if you're using this, let's say, for your everyday bag and you just want to carry some minimal art supplies. And that's my daughter's phone. The medium and small options are similar in style. Both come in several lovely colors and surprisingly hold a lot more than you would expect. They can be carried using the handles across the body or even as a backpack, which is how my daughter carries hers, because that's the other one she confiscated immediately. The first one I'll show you is the middle size in green. This one was also confiscated, as mentioned. The medium bag can hold a few smaller items in the outside pocket, and it has a large main compartment that comfortably houses my A4 large Fabriano Vergatone sketchbook, as well as other items, as you can see in the video. You can also see the beautiful pink version, which will be soon shipping to its happy owner, although I am struggling to part with it. It's so cute. The accessories are available as well. It's the pins. So just pick that option in the shop, but you don't have to get them. You can use whatever you have on hand. So as you can see, I'm pulling out quite a few things. That's my large sketchbook, and it fits kind of it's not standing, it's on its side, but it still comfortably fits. I have a few pet peeves with bags. One is I don't want things to be like super tight. I don't want to struggle with a zipper, all those things. So everything here that you see me pulling out of my bags is all a comfortable fit. So this is the pink version. You can see it's like a really beautiful light pink, and it's mostly cream, and you get these 2 straps so you can use it as like a messenger bag or as a backpack, like I said. So last but not least is the cutie patootie smaller one. Those are the 2 medium bags. And they come in 2 other colors that you can see all the details in my shop. So this is the cutie patootie smaller one, shown here by my lovely assistant Ella, or her hands anyway. This one is for you if you like to travel light or just don't use large palettes and sketchbooks. I picked the mauve color to show you, but all the colors are really, really pretty. The front pockets can hold some small items such as a cute watercolor tin palette and travel brushes. And as you can see in the main compartment, my fat Hobonichi fits comfortably alongside a couple other sketchbooks and a pencil case. And yes, you can order the bag with the cute floofy flower and the cute pins. So I hope to add also some art-themed pins to the shop so you can decorate your art bag with some cute art-themed pins. I think that would be really, really adorable. And this pencil case I will also be adding to my shop because I really, really like the way it is constructed. And my favorite pencil case, which I've shown you in the past when I share my travel kits, is already in the shop in a few really adorable colors. There's a black and white polka dot, and there's also this beautiful lilac corduroy one. I'm definitely going to grab a few more for myself and my kids. So, of course, these bags don't have to be for art supplies. They are perfect for everyday use, carrying stuff like your planner or just like your stuff. My daughter uses them. I just love their look and shape for carrying an artsy travel kit. So that's it. You can find all these in my shop with or without the cute accessories. Just follow the link below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in another video. Take care. Bye bye.